Welcome to our series on forming and solving equations. Enjoy the journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this playlist, we have taken few questions which are based on forming and solving equations. We'll consider area of two rectangles as shown here. So we'll land up with a quadratic equation in this particular case, and then we will see how do we solve that quadratic equation and answer the question. Well, in case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting scholarships and admission to the best universities. Now, let's see what the question is and the strategy to solve it. A square and a rectangle is given with the measurements in centimeters. Side length of squares are x minus 1, so all the four sides are equal. The area of the figure shown is ax square plus bx plus c. Now, it has got the length of x plus 4 and width of x plus 2, the green rectangle. The area can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. Find the integer values of a, b, and c. That's part A. Once you do that, calculate perimeter if the area of the composite figure is 39 centimeters square. So this is a slightly difficult question for GCSE, higher level mathematics. Let us see how should we solve this particular problem. So area's length into width, we are given the expression for area as ax square plus bx plus c. Let me rewrite. So area is given to us as ax square plus bx plus c, right? And this should be equal to x plus 4 times x plus 2, right? Area of the green rectangle plus the area of the square, which is x minus 1 whole square. Makes sense, correct? So let's expand, simplify the expression on the right. Multiplying, we get x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 8 plus expand x square minus 1, we get x square minus 2x plus 1, correct? Combine the like terms, we have got 2x square. 2x plus 4x, 6x minus 2x gives you plus 4x, correct? 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And so we can now answer part A. And clearly, we know that a now is equal to 2, right? B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 9 for this particular case. Clear? So we got the values for A, B, and C. 2x square plus 4x plus 9. Now we can look into the second part, which is calculate perimeter if area of the composite figure is 39 centimeters square. So we can actually equate this to 39 centimeters square. Do you see that? And then we have a quadratic equation. From this quadratic equation, we can find the value of x and then the perimeter of the whole thing. So I think the second part is easier. Let's move on to a new page and then write down the expression, which is 2x squared plus 4x plus 9, right? So it is 2x squared plus 4x plus 9, and that area is equal to 39. You need to solve this. For solving this, you need to understand factorizing skills. So that is the part which is going to be tested at this stage. Perfect. Well, I hope you are understanding. If there are any doubts, feel free to write your comments. And in the playlist, we have many videos which can help you. How do we factor such expressions, right? And how do we solve thereafter? Perfect. So let's bring 39 to the left. So we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 9 minus 39 equals to 0, which is 2x squared plus 4x, and we get plus 30 minus 30, right? Okay. Minus 30 equals to 0. 2 is common factor, that gives you x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. So we have factored. Now we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0 to be factored. We can use product and sum strategy. As I said, the playlist has many videos which will help you in doing this factorization. Okay, so we have 2 common, right? And x squared plus 2x minus 15 means 5 and 3 can work for you. 5 positive, 3 negative. So we have x plus 5 times x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we can apply the principle of zero product principle, right? ZPP. So from there, we get two values of x, which is x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 3. And clearly, from the given situation, x equals to minus 5 does not really work, right? The x value should be greater than 1, right? So x minus 1 cannot be 0. It could be, we could say x should be greater than 1, correct? So x equals to 3 can work for us. So that is the solution. Perfect. So in this particular case, we get a solution which is x equals to 3. Make sense? So once we get this solution, the value of x, we can find each and every side and then the perimeter. Makes sense, right? So let's move on to the next page. And what we have here now is that x equals to 3. Substituting 3, let's write down the sides of rectangles. The first one is the square, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this square has got each side of 2 centimeters. Now, as far as this length is concerned, if I write 3 plus 4, I get 7. So this length is 7 centimeters. Make sense? And here we have 3 plus 2, right, which is 5. So 7 by 5 is your bigger rectangle. Now, what do we need to find? We need to find the perimeter of this, correct? So, so for perimeter, we got three sides of this square, right? So let's find add these three sides. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So let's find the perimeter. So we get 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So we got these three sides, correct? Now we can add this side, which is 7, right? We can add this side, which is 5. We can add this side, which is 7. And we have to add only this side. You get the idea? So the total is 5. So this is 3 and this is 2. Makes sense, right? So perimeter is only the outside. So that 2 will not be counted. We'll add 3 now. Is that clear to you? Add them all, right? 2, 4, 6. And 7 is 13, right? 13 and 5 is 18 and 10, 28, right? So we get 28 units being centimeters. Makes sense? So that is how we are going to find the perimeter of this composite shape. So I hope it is simple, right? If you move properly, like we did in a logical steps, it should not be that difficult. So I hope you have understood the whole concept. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. In case you want to learn from me directly, send an email and we can be part of your success. Thanks for your time and all the best.